Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Necee. Welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Support your girl. I would really appreciate it. Actually, hit that subscribe button right now. I'll give you a minute. I'll give you 1 minute, okay? In today's video, as you guys can tell, I have a lot of freaking energy. I'm super duper excited because today, like as I'm filming this, is the first day of the VIB sale. I know it only lasts for a couple days to like maybe a week, so I'm not sure if it'll still be going on by the time I upload this video. This video is actually going up on Tuesday and today is Thursday. Be sure to check the description box down below because if it is still going on, I'll have the information down there. I've literally been waiting for this sale because as you guys may or may not know, Sephora only has 2 sales a year, and this year for my birthday, one of the gifts that my husband got me was a $500 gift card to Sephora, which I literally was so shocked and so grateful for. I actually cried, but yeah, we're not gonna get into that. So yeah, super duper excited. I had a list of stuff that I wanted to try out or that I just needed to stock up on, and yeah, I do want to do a quick little disclaimer. I am not in any way, shape, or form trying to show off or anything like that. It's simply just a haul of all the stuff I got, and so if you're interested, just keep on watching. I will let you guys know that I am super full of energy and I am super excited. I'm not sure, I think it's really a combination of like the coffee I just had plus like the excitement of just buying makeup. I don't know. Am I the only one? Here is my hefty Sephora bag. It's like 3 of my heads. The lady at Sephora was so freaking kind. Is her name on here? All right, so let's just get into the bag. Why am I still talking? Okay, so I'm literally just gonna pull stuff out the bag and just go with it. Ooh, okay. I actually got the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Tea Tree Scalp Treatment. I think it's postpartum, really. I've been having a pretty dry scalp. I've just been looking for something. I use coconut oil and argan oil in my hair, and since I started to put heat in it again, the dry scalp plus the heat is not really a good combination, so I figured I'd get something a little bit more nicer for my hair. So yeah, super excited to try that out. If you guys have a dry scalp or know like any good moisturizing products for your scalp and hair, let me know in the comments below. The next product I got here is, oh my god, I'm super excited for this, is Tatcha's the Dewy Skin Cream. It's a ultra hydrating and anti-aging replenishing Japanese purple rice, and I'm sure you guys have seen this all over YouTube. So yeah, it comes in this little purple jar, and up at the top here comes with this little spatula so you can scoop the product out. Let me open it really quick. I'm gonna see what it smells like because it's purple. My nail polish just came off a little bit. Ooh. Oh, that smells so good. It literally smells like a spa. Next product I have here is from Fenty Beauty, and this is her Sun Stalk'r Instant Warmth Bronzer. And I got mine in the shade Eyeliner Ting. Packaging is super luxe looking. Love it. Ooh, this is a nice size mirror too. And then here is the product. And this is what it looks like swatch. Next thing I have here is a Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist. It says that it's infused with 24 karat gold flakes that act as a hydrating skin mist containing rosehip seed oil as a primer to grip makeup in place, as a setting mist to ensure all day wear, and as a makeup refresher throughout the day. Oh my gosh, I don't know if the camera is gonna be able to, yeah. Do you guys see that? It has literally gold flecks. I'm gonna spray like a spray on me here. Let me just, let's see what it looks like. Ooh, that's a good mist. Okay. I also got 2 packs of these beauty blenders. It came for $45, which is a steal. As you guys know, beauty blenders are $20 a piece, so this would naturally be 60 bucks, and I got it for 45, and I got 2 of them because I was like, why not? Yeah, sale equals stock up. Can never have too many beauty blenders because after a while of like reusing them and washing them and stuff like that, they get so nasty that I just throw them away. I also got the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I got this in the shade Natural Beige. This is nothing new, but I just thought I would actually try this out because I don't know, I've been seeing it a lot more recently and it just looks like it would be a nice foundation that I would like. Okay, the next thing I got here is the Fenty Beauty Sponge. Fenty is just, she's coming up. Brianna is just bomb. Who doesn't love Brianna? So I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna try her beauty sponge and see if I like it. It was only $16, so obviously that's a little bit cheaper than the Beauty Blender itself. It feels pretty squishy. I'm gonna have to wet it and see obviously how it works out. It's a little bit of a different shape, as you guys can see here. It's round at the bottom, and then it just kind of has part of it cut off compared to the Beauty Blender. And then instead of it having a pointier tip, it's kind of like cut off here as well. It's like similar to the Morphe right here, but then it has a little bit of a twist with this. So I'm assuming that that's like really good for patting. Oh yeah. Can't wait to use this. All right, I also got 2 Benefit Precisely My Brow pencils, and I have mine in the shade 4.5. I got 2 because, like I said, stocking up and there's a sale, so yeah. I also got this product here. This is pretty new. This is from Becca, and this is the Skin Love Glow Shield Prime and Set Mist. Look at this bottle. It's like holographic kind of style. The packaging is just so cute. I probably would have bought it anyways. I'm just kidding, kind of. This says that it's a silky cloud-like mist that primes, sets, and refreshes. The gentle, super fine mist envelopes skin to help set and refresh the look for makeup for a long-lasting, fresh look. That sounds freaking fab. And I know I just sprayed the Farsali on my face, but I'm gonna spray this too just because I want to see. Oh yeah, that's a nice mist. Ooh, yeah, that smells really good. What does it smell like? It kind of smells like melons. Melons and like a spa kind of. Almost like a cucumber mask kind of maybe. But it smells really like nice and fresh. This product's also new. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex, not mascara, haha, eyeliner. And this is in the shade Deepest Black. It says that it's perfection in one stroke. It's 24-hour non-fading long wear, waterproof, flake-proof, non-smudging, has an easy to glide formula that doesn't tug or skip for a perfect line every time, and it is super pigmented. I believe that. I didn't even like swatch it in the store. I just knew that it was going to be good because the mascara is pretty good. Ooh, it feels so nice. That is what it looks like. It's pretty black. I'm sure when it dries it's not going to be as shiny, but I'll let you guys know throughout the video. The next thing I got is from Benefit. It is the Cheerleaders Mini Bronze Squad. I mainly got this because I was watching Kathleen Light's video and she was talking about this product here, and she was basically just saying to get this only for the middle shade, which is Cookie. She said that she was watching Jaclyn Hill's video, which I actually love Jaclyn Hill as well. She's like the queen of highlight. But Kathleen Lights was saying that when Jaclyn Hill was explaining this, that this like highlight here was just bomb. So yeah, I was influenced by the highlight. Can never have too much highlight. Comes with Gold Rush, Cookie, and Hoola bronzer, which I love the Hoola bronzer. So let's just see what these look like. Ooh, okay, that's cute. We have Cookie here, Gold Rush, and then we have the Hoola bronzer, and whoa. And there it is on my hand as well. So like I said, there's Cookie, which holy moly, that is beaming. Hoola bronzer, and then you can't really see Gold Rush. Let me get a little bit more. This is more of like a, I would say like a blush topper. I wouldn't use it as just a highlighter. I mean, you could use it as a highlighter, I guess, if you wanted like a more pinky toned highlighter. I don't know if you guys can kind of see it. Not too much, but that's a really cute blush topper if you guys want to have like a little bit of a sheen. But I wouldn't consider it as like a highlighter unless you don't really like to be like beaming to the gods, which I do, clearly. I also got Fenty Beauty's Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Setting Powder, and I have mine in the shade Cashew. I actually got the mini because just in case I didn't like it, I didn't want to buy a huge powder and then it goes to waste. I'm pretty sure I will like it because it's Fenty. Come on now. She's been pretty bomb at all of her products. Her packaging is just so luxe. And look at this little itty bitty like puff thing. I never use these things, but that is so freaking cute. I've heard great things about this powder. It basically says that it's light as air and it's a photo soft finish, so who doesn't love that? But the next thing I got, which I'm super excited for, I mean, I'm excited for everything, but I'm like really excited for this one, is the Milk Makeup's Hydro Grip Primer. It says that the hemp-derived cannabis extract hydrates to plump and smooth for blissed out skin. A shot of the blue agave holds makeup all day for a super fresh finish. I'm actually just gonna pump just like a little bit. Ooh, that feels really, really nice. Yes. and it's just a little bit sticky. Well, I would say tacky. Your foundation is gonna stick to that and is literally gonna be on all day, all night. The next thing I got here is eye pencil from Sephora, and this is in the shade Coconut. It says that it is a 12-hour wear. I got this because I do need like a nude liner for under my eyes, because I really just have white, but I wanted something more like nude. And I had $10 left on my gift card and I wanted to spend it all. But when I tested it in the store, it was, oh my god, super creamy. Like, wow, guys, I barely have to touch my skin, and we can't really see it because like I said, it's like a nude color. But so this is just what it looks like. Regular pencil here that, you know, I'll have to sharpen later. Oh wait, is this not sharpenable? Is that all I get? Should have got the retractable one. Anyways, moving on. I also got NARS oil infused lip tint in Orgasm. Oh my god, look at this. The pink with the rose gold. I am living. So you're not gonna be able to see it on my skin because it's a lip oil, but you can kind of see it right there. I'm actually just gonna put some of this on. Doesn't smell like anything. I've just been looking for something like really nice for my lips. So yeah, I just thought I would give this a try. All right, we're getting down to the last items. I thought I got one more of these. Let me check my receipt. I mean, unless I just threw it and it's on the floor and I missed it, or who knows. But anyways, the last items that I have here are just these sheet masks, just for like extra hydration. Like I said, postpartum has had me with a little bit of dry skin. I mean, it's not that bad now. I've been using some face oils and like some super hydrating overnight oils on my skin. Anyways, these are just regular face sheet masks. So I got this coconut one, which nourishes and soothes. I got this aloe vera one, which quenches and replenishes. And then I got a pineapple one, which perfects and soothes the skin. So yeah, that was my Sephora VIB haul. I do think I'm gonna do kind of like a first impressions video using these items that I did buy. So be on the lookout for that. If you guys like this video, if you guys like hauls and you guys want to see more, definitely let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!